Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up home security system easy guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your home's security needs. Identify the areas that require monitoring. Consider points of entry, such as doors and windows. Think about installing cameras in high-risk zones. Choose the type of security system that fits your requirements. Options include wired systems, wireless systems, or smart home integrations. Research different brands and models that suit your budget. Purchase the necessary equipment, which may include cameras, sensors, alarms, and a control panel. Read the installation manual carefully before starting. Gather all tools required for installation. Begin with mounting cameras at strategic locations. Follow manufacturer instructions for optimal placement and angle. Install door and window sensors according to guidelines. Ensure each sensor is within range of the control panel. Next, connect the control panel to your home network. If applicable, download the related mobile app for remote access. Configure the settings on the control panel to customize alerts. Test each component of the system to ensure functionality. Simulate break-in scenarios to verify response accuracy. Once satisfied, secure all wiring and finalize placements. Educate all household members on how to operate the system. Regularly review your home security needs as seasons and situations change. Schedule periodic maintenance to keep the system operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.